Night vision test. Here is the light, infrared light on the bumper. Here is the infrared light on the roof. Very much harder to see. Now for fun, here are the upper spots. And the curb light. And for fun, let's just light them all up. Let's get out and see what we look like. Oh! Those are the infrared lights up top. That's the infrared lights on the front. I'm going to flip back to normal recording mode. As you can see, you can barely see the IR lights. That's night vision mode. Let's see if I can get in without killing myself. Now to flip out of infrared mode on the lights. Infrared mode on the camera. Back into IR mode. Kill those spots and the curb lights. That is bumper light. And roof light. Hope this helps.